Derek Cathy Garcia Sampana na puno na sa mga tao sa labas ng kailang shooting scene at napagsabihan ng mga tao sa labas na kung saan ay palaging nag-aabang kina Catherine at Alden. Ito ay sa dahilanan na nakaka-istorbo na sila sa set ng movie at maingay pa habang nasa labas ang mga ito.
Ready? Good.
Googled my iPad.
Thank you. Sorry. Ready and sound. Ready, Tihanki? Camera set?
Sorry, may naririnig na audio.
Oo nga eh.
Wait lang po.
Sound clear? And motor.
Rolling. Alright guys.
Action! Sobra nyo na pong dami, nakaka-istorbo na po tayo, and they're getting mad at us, and maybe we will not be able to shoot here anymore, which we don't like, because I still need to finish the movie. And I hope you understand that, okay? We can do that if you'd be very quiet, and we take pictures in an orderly manner, without ruining our set. In fact, you're beyond what is allowed. Kanina po, nandun yung mga tao, ngayon andyan na po kayo. If we don't listen, if we don't keep quiet, we don't listen to them, you will leave here without seeing them, which I don't like. I would like to give that to you. The only chance you see them, right? But you have to follow instructions. So, kanina, I did it by batch. Hindi ko kayo pwedeng payagan solo lahat sa kanila. So for example, everyone from here to here, let's take a picture without shouting. Yes. Okay? Yes. Without coming here because we are not ours. Hindi po amin to. Okay? And the ones on the street, you really have to go. Nagagalit po sila. Sorry, sino ba yung nandyan? Sorry, the ones on the streets? Paano ba natin kasi mapapaano yun? Yeah, they have to do. Wala naman lang. Ayaw na lang para alis-alis na sila.